Miss Marin, do you have the hiccups? And Mr. Griffin, do you have the hiccups too? Got the hiccups at the same time. Somebody's got the hiccups. This little man. And this little lady. Oh, I think that's your tummy rumbling.